Module 4, Phase 1, Utilizing Resources and Tools for Project Success. Complete. Phase 2, Understanding Project Resource Needs. Phase 3, Developing Documentation for Project Kickoff. Begin Phase 4, Evaluating Tools to Meet Project Needs. Utilizing Tools for Effective Project Management. Importance of Tools for Project Management. Essential for tracking progress. Help in managing resources and organizing work. Benefits of using tools. Track detailed information about tasks. Facilitate communication with team members and stakeholders. Improve efficiency by sharing information online rather than manually. Examples of tools. Collaboration tools like email, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. Project management tools for tracking tasks, deliverables, and milestones. Scenario example. Using shared online documents to save time and avoid confusion. Advantages of project management tools. Increase visibility and transparency. Allow team members to update progress easily. Help manage budgets, create charts and diagrams, and keep stakeholders informed. Choosing the right tool. Consider the project's needs. Simple tools for small projects. More sophisticated tools for large projects. Flexibility. Sometimes required to use specific tools decided by the organization. Conclusion. Tools, whether simple or sophisticated, help communicate and manage projects effectively. Utilizing tools for effective project management at Larry Jeffers Race Cars. Fictional scenario, Larry Jeffers Race Cars, LJRC. Phase 1, Utilizing Resources and Tools for Project Success. Project, New Drag Car Build and Development. Objective, build a new, competitive drag car for the upcoming racing season. Phase 2, Understanding Project Resource Needs. Resources needed, human resources, engineers, fabricators, project managers, mechanics, and drivers. Materials, car frame, engine parts, body panels, tires, fuel systems, safety equipment. Tools and equipment, CNC machines, welding equipment, diagnostic tools, project management software. Phase 3, Developing Documentation for Project Kickoff. Project Kickoff documents, project charter, outlines the project's scope, objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables. Project plan, details timelines, resources, budget, and risk management strategies. Stakeholder analysis, identifies key stakeholders and their roles. Communication plan, ensures clear communication channels among all team members and stakeholders. Phase 4, Evaluating Tools to Meet Project Needs. Importance of Tools for Project Management at LJRC. Essential for tracking progress. Tools help monitor the build stages of the drag car, from initial design to final testing. Help in managing resources and organizing work. Tools ensure efficient allocation of human resources, materials, and equipment. Benefits of using tools. Track detailed information about tasks. Tools like project management software keep detailed records of tasks assigned to team members, deadlines, and progress updates. Facilitate communication with team members and stakeholders. Collaboration tools enable seamless communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Improve efficiency by sharing information online. Using online tools for document sharing saves time and reduces misunderstandings. Examples of tools. Collaboration tools. Email, for regular updates and quick communication. Google Docs, Microsoft Word, for creating and sharing project documents. Project management tools. Asana/Trello, for tracking tasks, deliverables, and milestones. Microsoft Project, for detailed project planning and scheduling. Scenario example. Using shared online documents. Situation, LJRC engineers need to collaborate on the car's design. Tool used, Google Docs. Outcome, engineers can work simultaneously on design documents, reducing the time spent on version control and increasing productivity. Advantages of project management tools. Increase visibility and transparency. Stakeholders can view the project's progress in real time, fostering trust and accountability. Allow team members to update progress easily. Team members can log their progress on tasks directly into the project management tool, ensuring up-to-date information. Help manage budgets, create charts and diagrams, and keep stakeholders informed. Tools like Microsoft Project can track expenditures, create Gantt charts, and generate reports for stakeholders. Choosing the right tool. Consider the project's needs. Simple tools for small projects. LJRC may use Google Sheets for managing smaller tasks. Sophisticated tools for large projects. For the drag car build, LJRC uses Microsoft Project to handle complex scheduling and resource allocation. Flexibility. Using specific tools decided by the organization. If LJRC has a standardized tool like Jira for project tracking, the team must adapt to using it, ensuring consistency across projects. Conclusion. Tools, whether simple or sophisticated, help communicate and manage projects effectively. At Larry Jeffers Race Cars, utilizing the right tools ensures that the new drag car build stays on track, meets its goals, and is ready for the racing season. By following this structured approach, LJRC can efficiently manage their resources, maintain clear communication, and achieve successful project outcomes. Scenario: Team Hampshire Race Cars Grassroots Racing Association. Module 4, Phase 1, Utilizing Resources and Tools for Project Success. Phase 2, Understanding Project Resource Needs. Phase 3, Developing Documentation for Project Kickoff. Phase 4, Evaluating Tools to Meet Project Needs. Importance of Tools for Project Management. Essential for tracking progress, tools help keep track of milestones and deadlines to ensure the project stays on schedule. Help in managing resources and organizing work, they allow for efficient allocation of resources and clear organization of tasks. Benefits of using tools: track detailed information about tasks. Tools enable precise tracking of what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when tasks are due. Facilitate communication with team members and stakeholders. They provide platforms for real-time updates and feedback. Improve efficiency by sharing information online rather than manually. Online tools reduce the need for physical meetings and documentation, speeding up the workflow. Examples of tools: collaboration tools, email, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. Project management tools, Trello, Asana, and Microsoft Project for tracking tasks, deliverables, and milestones. Scenario example: Team Hampshire's new racing season project. Project goal: successfully prepare and launch the new racing season, with a goal to increase race participation by 20% and reduce preparation time by 15%. Tools and their benefits. Google Docs for shared documentation. Scenario: the project team uses Google Docs to draft and share race preparation checklists, rules, and participant information. Metric: by using Google Docs, document revision time is reduced by 25%, and all team members have access to the latest information in real time. Asana for task management. Scenario: Asana is used to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress for each team member involved in the racing season prep. Metric: task completion rates increase by 30%, and project milestones are consistently met on time. Slack for team communication. Scenario: the team utilizes Slack channels for different aspects of the project, such as logistics, marketing, and technical preparations. Metric: response time to team inquiries drops by 40%, and team collaboration improves, with a 20% increase in resolved issues per week. Advantages of project management tools. Increase visibility and transparency. Everyone can see the progress and status of the project, which helps in identifying bottlenecks early. Allow team members to update progress easily. Team members can update their status on tasks, providing real-time information to the project manager. Help manage budgets, create charts and diagrams, and keep stakeholders informed. Tools can generate reports and visuals that are easy to share and understand. Numerical metrics for scenario example: 20% increase in race participation, achieved by tracking participant registrations through an online form integrated with Asana. 15% reduction in preparation time, measured by comparing the average preparation time of previous seasons, using manual processes, with the current season, using automated tools. Choosing the right tool. Consider the project's needs, determine if the project is small or large and choose the tools accordingly. Simple tools for small projects. Use basic tools like Google Docs and email for straightforward projects. More sophisticated tools for large projects. For complex projects, use advanced tools like Microsoft Project or Jira. Flexibility. Sometimes required to use specific tools decided by the organization. Be prepared to adapt to the tools provided by the organization. Conclusion. Tools, whether simple or sophisticated, help communicate and manage projects effectively. They ensure that all team members are on the same page and that the project progresses smoothly towards its goals. By implementing these tools and strategies, Team Hampshire can efficiently manage their resources, keep the project on track, and achieve their goal of a successful new racing season with increased participation and reduced preparation time. Introducing new tools to a team. Importance of choosing the right tools, essential for project success. Helps manage resources and track progress. Facilitates team communication and efficiency. Implementing new tools, be open to beneficial changes. Navigating change is crucial in project management. Introducing new tools can be met with resistance. Before introducing new tools, ensure the change benefits the project. Communicate the benefits to the team. Demonstrate understanding and evaluation of the tool. Keys to successfully introducing new tools: discuss early and often, prepare the team for the change. Ask for feedback, involve stakeholders for valuable insights. Involve key stakeholders, use demonstrations and trials for acceptance. Ensure full functionality, introduce fully functional tools to avoid resistance. Set up training, address different comfort levels and create positive first impressions. Managing resistance, prepare and mitigate friction. Allow a transition period if replacing an existing tool. Be ready for an initial impact on productivity. Pro tip: plan for a transition period to ease the switch from old to new tools. Provide time for team members to become familiar with the new tool. Scenario example: Larry Jeffers race car's importance of choosing the right tools, essential for project success. In 2023, Larry Jeffers race cars faced delays in project deliveries due to outdated project tracking methods. Implementing a new project management tool reduced these delays by 30%. Helps manage resources and track progress. Before adopting the tool, tracking inventory manually resulted in a 20% error rate. The new tool reduced this to 5%, improving accuracy and resource management. Facilitates team communication and efficiency. Communication breakdowns led to a 15% drop in team productivity. Using a collaborative tool increased team communication efficiency, raising productivity back up by 10%. Implementing new tools, be open to beneficial changes. Larry Jeffers introduced a cloud-based project management tool to replace their outdated spreadsheet system. This tool offered real-time updates and access from any device, streamlining operations. Navigating change is crucial in project management. Despite initial resistance, the team adapted within 3 months, resulting in a 25% improvement in project completion times. Introducing new tools can be met with resistance. 40% of the team was hesitant to switch from the familiar spreadsheet system. Through regular meetings and training sessions, resistance dropped to 10%. Before introducing new tools, ensure the change benefits the project. The new tool was demonstrated to reduce project tracking time by 50%, directly benefiting project timelines and overall efficiency. Communicate the benefits to the team. The team was shown how the tool could cut down on manual data entry and reduce errors, saving them an average of 2 hours per week. Demonstrate understanding and evaluation of the tool. A pilot test was run for 1 month, showing a 15% increase in efficiency and positive feedback from 85% of the test group. Keys to successfully introducing new tools: discuss early and often. Discussions about the new tool began 6 months prior to implementation. Regular updates were provided, and the team was kept informed about the benefits and timeline. Ask for feedback. Surveys and feedback sessions were held, revealing key concerns and desired features, which were addressed before full implementation. Involve key stakeholders. Key stakeholders, including project managers and team leads, were involved in the demo and trial phases, increasing buy-in and support. Ensure full functionality. The tool was fully tested and functional before the team began using it. Beta testing involved 10% of the team, ensuring all issues were resolved prior to full rollout. Set up training. Training sessions were conducted over 2 weeks, with follow-up sessions as needed. This helped reduce the learning curve and ensured all team members were comfortable with the new tool. Managing resistance. Prepare and mitigate friction. Resistance was anticipated and addressed by involving team members early in the process and providing comprehensive training. Allow a transition period if replacing an existing tool. Both the old and new tools were used concurrently for 2 months, allowing the team to transition smoothly without disrupting workflow. Be ready for an initial impact on productivity. A slight dip in productivity was expected and planned for, with productivity metrics showing a return to normal levels within 3 months. Pro tip: plan for a transition period to ease the switch from old to new tools. The transition period allowed for gradual adoption, reducing stress and resistance. By the end of the transition, 95% of the team reported a preference for the new tool. Provide time for team members to become familiar with the new tool. A 2-month overlap period gave team members ample time to get accustomed to the new system, ensuring a smoother transition and higher acceptance rate. Scenario example: introducing new tools to Team Hampshire Race Cars Grassroots Racing Association. Project Charter Summary. Project Name, Feathered Fury, Team Hampshire's Flight into Grassroots Racing. Date, June 1, 2024. Purpose, grow grassroots sportsman drag racing and support racers as the backbone of the sport. Objectives, increase membership by 20%, organize annual racing events, secure 5 new sponsors, and enhance racer support. Mission statement, expand grassroots sportsman drag racing through well-organized and fair events. Key deliverables, membership growth, annual event schedule, sponsorships, and media coverage. Scope, includes event organization, membership promotion, sponsorship acquisition, and media engagement. Excludes professional racing and international competitions. Stakeholders, primary, racers, team members, sponsors. Secondary, investors, fans, local communities. Roles, project sponsor, Team Hampshire, project manager, Peanut, team members for event organization, marketing, sponsorship, and media relations. Timeline, June 2024, due diligence, July 2024, establish mission and goals, August 2024, finalize rules and event schedule, September 2024, May 2025, execution, June 2025, review. Budget, total $1 million for staffing, events, marketing, sponsorships, and media. Success criteria, achieve 20% membership increase, successfully host events, secure 5 new sponsors, and gain positive media coverage. Risks and mitigation, address risks like low racer turnout with intensive marketing, budget overruns with financial controls, and lack of sponsorship with attractive packages and early engagement. Importance of choosing the right tools. Essential for project success. Scenario, implementing a new event management software for scheduling and logistics. Metrics, reduced event planning time by 30%, leading to a 95% on-time event schedule. Helps manage resources and track progress. Scenario, using an inventory management tool to track race car parts and equipment. Metrics, decreased inventory errors by 20%, resulting in a 15% cost saving on parts. Facilitates team communication and efficiency. Scenario, adopting a collaborative tool like Slack for team communication. Metrics, improve team response time by 25%, increasing overall team productivity by 15%. Implementing new tools. Be open to beneficial changes. Scenario, introducing a cloud-based project management tool to replace spreadsheets. Metrics, reduced data entry errors by 50%, improving project tracking accuracy. Navigating change is crucial in project management. Scenario, transitioning to a new membership management system. Metrics, improved member registration process, reducing time spent on administrative tasks by 40%. Introducing new tools can be met with resistance. Scenario, implementing a new financial management tool mid-project. Metrics, initial resistance from 25% of the team, decreased to 5% after training sessions. Before introducing new tools, ensure the change benefits the project. Scenario, analyzing the benefits of a new sponsorship tracking tool. Metrics, projected 15% increase in sponsor engagement and retention. Communicate the benefits to the team. Scenario, explaining the advantages of a new media coverage tracking tool. Metrics, increased positive media coverage by 20% within 3 months. Demonstrate understanding and evaluation of the tool. Scenario, conducting a pilot test for a new event scheduling app. Metrics, 90% positive feedback from test group, with a 25% increase in scheduling efficiency. Keys to successfully introducing new tools. Discuss early and often. Scenario, regular meetings to discuss the upcoming CRM tool implementation. Metrics, 80% of the team felt prepared for the change, leading to a smoother transition. Ask for feedback. Scenario, collecting feedback on a new marketing analytics tool. Metrics, identified and resolved 10% of potential issues before full rollout. Involve key stakeholders. Scenario, inviting sponsors to test a new sponsorship portal. Metrics, 75% of sponsors reported improved usability, leading to higher engagement rates. Ensure full functionality. Scenario, ensuring a new financial tracking tool is fully functional before launch. Metrics, reduced implementation issues by 90%, resulting in higher user satisfaction. Setup training. Scenario, providing training sessions for a new project management software. Metrics, increased user proficiency by 30%, reducing initial productivity impact. Managing resistance. Prepare and mitigate friction. Scenario, addressing resistance to a new communication tool with workshops. Metrics, reduce resistance from 20% to 5% within the first month. Allow a transition period if replacing an existing tool. Scenario, overlapping old and new event management tools for 2 months. Metrics, 95% of the team transitioned smoothly, with minimal productivity loss. Be ready for an initial impact on productivity. Scenario, preparing for a slight drop in productivity during tool transition. Metrics, productivity returned to baseline within 6 weeks, with a 10% increase thereafter. Pro tip. Plan for a transition period to ease the switch from old to new tools. Scenario, allowing a 3-month transition period for the new CRM system. Metrics, 85% user satisfaction with the new system, minimal disruption during the transition. Provide time for team members to become familiar with the new tool. Scenario, offering hands-on training sessions for the new inventory management tool. Metrics, reduced learning curve by 50%, with a 20% increase in inventory accuracy. By applying these strategies and metrics, Team Hampshire race cars can effectively introduce new tools, ensuring smoother transitions, improved efficiency, and higher overall project success. Exploring types of project management tools. Introduction. Tools enhance project management effectiveness. Types include scheduling, work management, productivity, and collaboration tools. Scheduling and work management software. Useful for assigning tasks and tracking progress. Visualizes team's progress. Helps identify issues and blockages early. Examples, various work management software depending on project methodology and team size. Productivity tools. Word processing tools, Microsoft Word, Google Docs for creating shared documents, for example, project charters, meeting agendas, status updates. Spreadsheets, versatile for making RASI charts, project plans, and other helpful documents. Presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint, Keynote, Google Slides for visually packaging the project. Collaboration tools, email and chat, efficient for quick communication on project-related topics. Suitable for smaller projects with fewer tasks and team members. Choosing the right tools. Simple tools, documents, spreadsheets, email, chat, for smaller projects. Scheduling and work management software for larger projects with more tasks and team members. Conclusion. Understanding different tool types helps in selecting the right ones for project success. Upcoming deeper dive into popular project management tools. Exploring types of project management tools, Larry Jeffers Race Cars Scenario Introduction. Tools enhance project management effectiveness. Types include scheduling, work management, productivity, and collaboration tools. Scenario context. Project name, 2024 Championship build for Larry Jeffers Race Cars. Objective, complete the build and testing of a new race car for the 2024 championship season. Timeline, June 2024, December 2024. Team size, 15 team members. Budget, $500,000. Scheduling and work management software. Tool example, Asana. Assigning tasks. Tasks like engine assembly assigned to engine team, bodywork design assigned to design team. Tracking progress. Weekly check-ins show engine team completing 10 tasks in week 1, only 2 in week 2, indicating a possible issue. Visualization. Gantt charts and Kanban boards to visualize progress. Identifying issues. Immediate identification of a delay in engine assembly, prompting a meeting to address the blockage. Metrics, task completion rate, target of 90% task completion per week. Current rate drops to 20% in week 2, triggering intervention. Progress tracking, 70% of milestones met by mid-project review. Productivity tools. Word processing tools, Google Docs. Creating shared documents, project charter, meeting agendas, status updates shared with the team. Collaborative editing, team members can simultaneously edit and comment on documents. Spreadsheets, Microsoft Excel. RASI charts, define roles for tasks like design approval, responsible, design team lead, accountable, project manager, consulted, stakeholders, informed, entire team. Project plans, detailed timeline with tasks, deadlines, and responsible team members. Presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint. Visual packaging, monthly progress presentations to stakeholders. Metrics, document access and edit frequency, Google Docs shows an average of 50 edits and comments per week. Meeting attendance and engagement, 90% attendance rate in progress meetings, with an average of 10 questions, feedback points per meeting. Collaboration tools. Email and chat, Microsoft Teams. Quick communication, daily updates and quick queries resolved via chat. Efficient information sharing, files shared instantly, reducing lag time. Metrics, response time. Average response time to queries is 30 minutes. Communication volume, 100 messages exchanged daily, ensuring continuous team engagement. Choosing the right tools. Simple tools for small projects. For a smaller project like a local event build with 5 tasks and 3 team members, using Google Docs and email might suffice. Advanced tools for large projects. For the 2024 championship build, Asana and Microsoft Teams provide necessary functionalities. Metrics, tool adoption rate, 100% of team members actively using Asana and Teams within the first month. User satisfaction, 85% of team members report high satisfaction with the tools in a mid-project survey. Conclusion. Understanding different tool types helps in selecting the right ones for project success. Larry Jeffers' race cars project demonstrates how scheduling, productivity, and collaboration tools can streamline tasks and improve efficiency. Upcoming deeper dive into popular project management tools to enhance understanding. This scenario illustrates the practical application of various project management tools within a real-world context, using numerical metrics to measure effectiveness and ensure project success. Exploring types of project management tools, Team Hampshire Race Cars Scenario. Introduction. Tools enhance project management effectiveness. Types include scheduling, work management, productivity, and collaboration tools. Scenario context. Project name, Feathered Fury. Team Hampshire's flight into grassroots racing objective, organize and execute a series of grassroots racing events, increase membership, secure sponsorships, and enhance racer support. Timeline, June 2024, June 2025. Team size, 20 team members. Budget, $1 million. Scheduling and work management software. Tool example, Trello. Assigning tasks. Tasks such as venue booking assigned to the logistics team. Marketing campaign assigned to the marketing team. Tracking progress. Weekly reviews show the logistics team completing 5 out of 7 tasks in week 1, indicating a 71% completion rate. Visualization. Kanban boards to visualize progress and workflow. Identifying issues. Immediate identification of delays in sponsor acquisition, prompting a strategy meeting. Metrics. Task completion rate. Target of 90% task completion per week. Currently at 71%. Indicating a need for adjustment. Milestone achievement, 80% of key milestones achieved by mid-project review. Productivity tools. Word processing tools, Google Docs. Creating shared documents, project charter, meeting agendas, status updates shared with the team. Collaborative editing, team members can simultaneously edit and comment on documents. Spreadsheets, Google Sheets. RASI charts, define roles for tasks like event coordination, responsible, event coordinator, accountable, project manager, consulted, stakeholders, informed, entire team. Project plans, detailed timeline with tasks, deadlines, and responsible team members. Presentation tools, Google Slides. Visual packaging, monthly progress presentations to stakeholders. Metrics, document access and edit frequency, Google Docs shows an average of 60 edits and comments per week. Meeting attendance and engagement. 95% attendance rate in progress meetings, with an average of 15 questions, feedback points per meeting. Collaboration tools. Email and chat, Slack. Quick communication, daily updates and quick queries resolved via chat. Efficient information sharing, files shared instantly, reducing lag time. Metrics, response time. Average response time to queries is 20 minutes. Communication volume, 150 messages exchanged daily, ensuring continuous team engagement. Choosing the right tools. Simple tools for small projects. For smaller projects like a local event with 10 tasks and 5 team members, using Google Docs and email might suffice. Advanced tools for large projects. For Feathered Fury, Trello and Slack provide necessary functionalities. Metrics, tool adoption rate, 100% of team members actively using Trello and Slack within the first month. User satisfaction, 90% of team members report high satisfaction with the tools in a mid-project survey. Conclusion. Understanding different tool types helps in selecting the right ones for project success. The Team Hampshire Race Cars project demonstrates how scheduling, productivity, and collaboration tools can streamline tasks and improve efficiency. Upcoming deeper dive into popular project management tools to enhance understanding. This scenario illustrates the practical application of various project management tools within a real-world context, using numerical metrics to measure effectiveness and ensure project success. Test your knowledge, evaluating tools. Practice quiz. Asana 10 minutes. Asana, 5 total points available. 5 total points. Question 1. What are the main uses of scheduling and work management software? Select all that apply. 1 point. A. Efficiently track progress on the team's work. B. Easily assign tasks to multiple teammates. C. Quickly communicate with teammates and stakeholders. D. Help visualize a team's project progress. To answer this question, the main uses of scheduling and work management software typically include: A. Efficiently track progress on the team's work. Correct. Work management software is useful to track and visualize progress so project managers don't have to do it manually. It also helps them easily assign tasks. C. Quickly communicate with teammates and stakeholders. D. Help visualize a team's project progress. Correct. The software typically has a visual component that makes it easy to understand task progress. It also helps project managers easily assign tasks. These options reflect how such software helps in monitoring and visualizing project progress, which are crucial for effective project management and coordination. Question 2. Which of the following are best practices when introducing a new tool to a team? Select all that apply. 1 point. A. Get feedback from stakeholders on important features that may help manage the project. B. Ensure the tool is functional after the team is introduced to it. C. If replacing a tool, allow for a transition period. D. Discuss the tool early and often. To answer this question, the best practices when introducing a new tool to a team typically include: A. Get feedback from stakeholders on important features that may help manage the project. Correct. Use stakeholder expertise to get feedback on features. You may also ask for their input on the tool's functionality. C. If replacing a tool, allow for a transition period. Correct. If you are replacing an existing tool, allow for a period of time to transition from the old tool to the new. You should also ask for stakeholder input and make time to discuss the tool from the start. D. Discuss the tool early and often. Correct. Make sure you give your team enough time to prepare to use a new tool. Discuss the new tool with them from the start so they don't feel surprised when you introduce it. You should also give them the chance to provide feedback. These practices help ensure a smooth integration of the new tool into the team's workflow, addressing stakeholder needs, facilitating a transition if necessary, and maintaining open communication about the tool's implementation and benefits. Question 3. Fill in the blank. If a project has a blank, then it may be worth the team's time to learn a more sophisticated tool. 1 point. A. Short deadline. B. Limited budget. C. Small team. D. Large scope. Fill in the blank. If a project has a large scope, then it may be worth the team's time to learn a more sophisticated tool. A project with a large scope often involves complex tasks and extensive coordination, making advanced tools more beneficial for managing and tracking progress effectively. Correct. Projects with a large scope and sufficient funding may benefit from a more robust project management tool. With a more sophisticated tool, the project team and stakeholders will need time to get familiar with it. Question 4. As a project manager, you need to determine how best to communicate with stakeholders across the company. Which tools are best for communicating? 1 point. A. Work management software. B. Collaboration tools. C. Productivity tools. D. Tools. The best tool for communicating with stakeholders across the company would typically be B. Collaboration tools. Correct. Collaboration tools such as email and chat can help you quickly and efficiently communicate with your team and stakeholders. Collaboration tools are designed to facilitate communication, document sharing, and real-time interaction among team members and stakeholders, making them ideal for project management communication needs. Question 5. Which 3 of the following best practices can help you choose tools for your project? 1 point. A. Choose the same tools you used in your last project. B. Select tools based on your project's scope. C. Know a tool's capability. D. Understand a tool's purpose. The 3 best practices that can help you choose tools for your project are: B. Select tools based on your project's scope. Correct. You may choose a tool based upon the project's scope. For a larger project, You may need to use a more sophisticated tool. For a smaller project, a straightforward tool might be more effective. C. Know a tool's capability. Correct. When you understand a tool's capability, you determine if it's going to make tasks easier for you or cause additional confusion. Sophisticated tools like scheduling and work management software can solve very specific problems. For example, they can help you visualize your team's progress. D. Understand a tool's purpose. Correct. When you understand a tool's purpose, you can determine if it's going to solve a specific problem. For example, some tools are good at helping you organize work and manage resources. Other tools will help you communicate more effectively. These practices ensure that the tools chosen are suitable for the specific requirements and scale of the project, aligning their capabilities and purposes effectively. Common project management tools.